A unit of blood expires after 10 factorial seconds. Yasin donates a unit of blood at noon of January 1st. On what day does his unit of blood expire? So 10 factorial seconds is a very big number. And if I look at the answer choices there, those are pretty far in the future. So what I want to do is convert 10 factorial seconds into days. So the way I'm going to do that is, I know that 10 factorial, if I divide by 60, it's going to expire in that many minutes. Divide a number of seconds by 60, you get that many minutes. If I then divide by 60 again, that's how many hours. Divide minutes by 60, you get that many hours. And one more time, if I divide by 24, that's how many hours are in a day. That's how many days will pass till it expires. So that's going to be what I want to look at, and the way I'm going to simplify that is I'm going to do 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5, 4 times 3, all over, and I'm going to break those down conveniently. So the first 60, I'll write that as 6 times 10. The second 60, I can use different numbers, 5 times 4 times 3, and I can write 24 as 8 times 3. And notice that I'm going to get a fair amount of the numbers to cancel. So I end up getting, I'm left with 9 times 7 times 2 times 1 all over 3. I get 126 over 3, so I get 42. So after 42 days, the unit of blood is going to expire. So now I have to find that date. So there are 30 days, there are 31 days in January, but since it's starting at noon on January 1st, we're actually only going to be able to count 30 days in January. 30 days in Jan, because we're not counting Jan 1. Next, since it's 42, we're then going to count 12 days in February. And so 12 days into February, obviously that's February 12th. So the blood is going to expire on February 12th.